Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not doing a carrot cake meal, but I am doing this new recipe I found. It's called Carrot Cake Cookies, or you can make them bars. It's kind of similar to my banana raisin oatmeal cookies, because you're using oats and a banana as the base. So this is what you're going to need. First, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of honey. I don't have honey, so I'm using some light corn syrup. 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats, or quick oats are preferred, because with the rolled oats you're going to let your batter sit for like 20 minutes just to soften up these oats. A tablespoon of vanilla. Do a little less if you'd like, if you don't like that much vanilla. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're also going to need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 large carrot, which is going to equal like a 1/2 cup of really finely grated carrot, and then obviously a banana. So let's get this recipe started. I have my little bowl here. I'm just gonna peel my banana and throw it in the bowl so I can mash it with a fork. Just mashed my banana, so now I'm gonna add my tablespoon of vanilla. I'm gonna do all like the wet ingredients first. Vanilla. I'm gonna add the 1/4 cup of corn syrup, which is supposed to be honey, but I don't have that. So I'm working with what I got, which is always okay. Get that in there. You know, I never really work with corn syrup. It's like, I don't really like it, but it's what I got, so it's like a fake sugar almost, like a fake sugary paste. So I'm gonna get the rest of that out. I'm gonna add in my 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Can't have carrot cake without cinnamon, I feel like. Makes that flavor for you. I'm gonna add in the baking soda, which is 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna start mixing this together. Woo. And that cinnamon will come up in the air. You're stirring it too vigorously at first. It smells pretty good. I almost want to take like an egg beater or like a whisk just to get that banana a little bit more incorporated. So this is what the wet ingredients are going to start looking like. Pretty liquidy. My oven just got done preheating. That's perfect. I'm adding the 1/2 cup of peanut butter now. Oops, I just got it all over my finger. That happens. Really gotta give this a stir. Vigorous stir. I was kind of like, why would they add peanut butter? Because peanut butter's not in carrot cake, but you know what? I'll give it a try. It's looking a little thicker now that I added the peanut butter. Alright, so now all you need to do is add the carrot and then the oats. So I'm going to grate that carrot. And you're just going to want to use the finely grated part. You don't want to use the big one, you want to use the finely grated area. You can also use, I guess if your food processor has the finely grated one, but mine doesn't, it only has the big grater. So yeah, I'm gonna grate this whole carrot. Alright, so I got the carrot grated in there. I have the butt end. I'm just gonna give that to my rabbit. He'll eat that right up. I'm gonna stir this in. Yeah, it was like perfect amount. Like a medium, large size carrot. It's probably about a half cup. So you don't even need to measure. Just grab a carrot, grate it. Took a little bit of elbow grease, to be honest. But my husband, he loves carrot cake, so decided I'd make this. What we do for our husbands. Alright, so that's very well stirred in. I'm gonna add the 1 1/4 cup oats. Give that a good stir. Looks like it's coming along pretty good. Oh, I really hope this is yummy. You know, I really can smell the peanut butter. It's got a very powerful smell. But it calls for peanut butter, so I added peanut butter. Peanut butter and the corn syrup. Definitely gonna give it the sweetness it needs. And the banana. My banana wasn't very ripe, but it's all I had on hand. So preferably use an over-ripened banana. So that's what it looks like when it's all nicely stirred. Alright, so I got my parchment paper on my pan. I'm just gonna start putting these on there. Use an ice cream scooper. That works as well. Well, that's way too much. So that's what it'll look like. Well, I layered down 6. I have about half the batch or the dough left. I'm just gonna pop this in. And it says to cook it for 12 to 15 minutes. So I think I'm gonna do 14. Or I might do 15 because I did 14 last time and I could have done another minute. And we'll see what they look like when they're done. I forgot to mention that you want to let your batter sit for 20 minutes. So I quickly pulled these out. They've been sitting for almost 20 minutes now. And I also added a little sprinkle of cinnamon over the top of them. Just because I wanted a little bit more of that cinnamon flavor. So I'm about to put them in. Sorry. Put them in the oven in like a minute. And I will show you what they look like when they come out then. So I just took these out and this is what they are looking like. They look delicious and they smell delicious. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try, and as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Of course, turn on that notification bell and you can always get notified when I upload. And please check out my other videos that I uploaded prior to this video. I have a bunch of slow cooker videos. That is definitely my forte. I love to cook in a slow cooker. So if you want to see more of me, just please subscribe. And I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.